Welcome back muli sa ating live. Third quarter po tayo, 25-14. Lamang pa rin tayo ng 11. Bola rito ng Claret School, QC, for the home team. Number 26. Nasa corner. Number 2. Umatake, using the board, basket. Oh, steal, number 26, no good. Nakabawal at nakaret. Ayun na, humahabol dito ang Claret School. Ramirez, pass to Aklan. Aklan, kick out. Pass to Ramirez. Setting on the play. Pass to Aceveda. 5 to shoot. Aceveda 4-3. No good. Rebound ng Claret. Spin move. Uy! Ayan na, baba sa 5. Ang lating lamang, number 28. Aceveda to Marquez. Uno, kick out. Oy, wala. Rebound. Aceveda from elbow 3. Wala. Rebound by Puno. Locinario to Aklan. Aceveda to Ramirez, and that's a traveling. Substitution. Pinasok pa rin dito si Gasta for Ramirez. Ayun na, pressure defense, number 26. Oh, naka-recover, number 19. And there's a foul. Shot is good. No good. Rebound by Locinario. Let's go. Gasta. Locinario 4-3. No good. Rebound ng Claret. Bounce. De La Salle Isabel basketball. Substitution for Claret. Number 1 coming in. Gasta setting on the play. Pass to Aklan. Aklan umatake, kick out. Aceveda 4-3, no good. Rebound ng Claret. Pinasa. Jump shot. Oh! Lumalakas na ang crowd ng Claret. Baba sa 2 ang lamang. Oh! Wala na steal. What a nice defense by Locinario. Bola ng Claret. Number 22, jump shot, no good. Rebound. Makukuha ni Aceveda. Aceveda nagmamadali. Diretso. Wala. Rebound. Loquinario. Kick out to Gasta. Bang! Relax lang doon si Gasta. Jersey number 14. Baba sa 4. Ang ating kalamangan. Ayan na. Number 22 to number 19. What a good defense by Gasta. Timeout. Claret. Official score 27 to 23 with the time remaining 4 minutes and 36 seconds. Session po kung maulog Nasa upuan kasi ako At kahoy po yung aming gamit dito. Let's go! Stop the ball game. Ayan na, binigay. Oh, steal by Gasta. Ano ba? Nakatawid. Aceveda. Pass to Gasta. Gasta, floater basket para kay, sorry, that's Aklan. Number 28. Ayan na, Claret. Nasa loob, pass number 22. Kick out. Number 2, floater. Wala. And out of bounds. Aceveda, may tangan ng bola. Aklan, jump shot, no good. Rebound. Kick out. Aceveda, binigay from elbow 3, no good. It's a foul. Bola rito ng Claret. Oh, that's a traveling. Marian. To Aklan. To Acebeda. Setting on the play. He gets the pick. To Gasta. Acebeda. 4-3. Wala. That's 24-second shot clock again. Violation. Time remaining 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Bola ng Claret. Oh, outlet pass. Oh, good hustle by Gasta. White ball. Last 2 minutes tayo. For cut. Oh, steal. Ay na si Acebeda. Pass to Aklan. Aklan. Basket. By jersey number 28. Aklan. Oy. Munti ka na magawan. That's out of bounds. Pass, steal by Parian. Pass to Aklan. Aklan with a side step and there's a foul. Keeping at the line. Sorry, that's Solana. Solano, second shot, wala. Rebound, may number 22. Gets the shot, wala. Ay na, rebound by Parian. Acebeda, basket. Balik sa 10 ang ating kalamangan. That's a foul. Last 18 seconds. Steal. Double dribble. Okay, and that's the end of our third quarter. Official score 33-23. 10-point lead para sa ating De La Salle Zubel. Let's go, La Salle. Fourth and last quarter tayo. Let's go, Lasal. Animo. Parian coming in. Aklan. Puno. Aceveda. And Solano. Para sa ating Lasal Isabel sa fourth quarter. Let's go. Parian. Lumatake. Kick out. Aklan 4-3. No good. Rebound by Puno. Oy, naka-recover. Solano with a cross. Pass to Aceveda 4-3. Bang! Yes, sir. By Aceveda. Oh, steal. Ayan na sa Solano. Bad pass. Steal by number 2. Ayan na ang Claret. Nagmamadali. Number 2. Binigay kay number 26. Number 26. Setting on the play. Aatake. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Aklan. Pass to Aceveda. Aceveda. Hesitation. Sabi niya, wait lang daw po. Setting on the play. You get the screen. Pass to Parian. Parian. Binigay. Ayan na. Up and under. Block by number 2. Pass to number 8. Number 8. And there's a foul. It's a blocking foul. Pass number 2. Number 2, top of the key for 3. Wala. Rebound ng Claret. Number 14. To number 26. And that's a 3 seconds violation. Bola rito ng ating Lasal. Substitution. Solano. Pass to Loquinario. Loquinario umatake. Wala. Rebound by Mortel. Pinagay. Gastar. Floater. Yes, sir. Ganda ng pagkaka-execute doon ni Gasta. Making that shot as a floater. Ayan na ang Claret. Number 8. Running shot. Ooh! Madalas dun ah. That's a foul. Number 34. Mortal. Then shooting the line jersey number 8. Kunanan. First shot para kay Kunanan. Wala. Second shot. Wala. Rebound by Mortel. Mortel. Outlet pass. Solano with a fake. Choosing the board. Wala. Rebound by Gasta. Pass to Aceveda. Setting on the play. Binigay sa corner. 4-3. Wala. Rebound again by Loquinario. Oh, there's a foul. Wala pa po tayong penalty. Bola rito ng Lasal. Gets the 3. Wala. Rebound. Out of bounds. Mortel. Steal. na, steal by Gasta. Aceveda, too strong. Rebound, makuha. Nagagawan, but there's the foul, number 34, Mortel. There's a foul. Oh, steal by Puno. Pass to Solano. Solano binigay sa corner. Gasta. Backdoor pass. Aceveda, 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Solano, binomba, wala. Rebound dito ng Claret. Ayan ang pressure defense. Number 26, naitawid. Number 26, binasa sa corner. Jump shot. Oh! Sumisigaw ng Perez ng Claret doon. Enjoying the game. Solano, what a side step by Solano. 40-25. Ayan na. 15-point lead. Steal by Puno. Gasta, umatake and one. Gasta feeling good. He get the shot and plus a foul para kay Gasta. 42-25. Shooting on the line for 3-point play by jersey number 14, Gasta. Gasta, wala. Rebound by Mortel. Kick out. Pass to Aceveda. Pinasa kay Gasta for 3. Nagpapaula na ng 3 points dito si Gasta. Another steal. Bounce pass. Aceveda to Gasta. Ayan na. What a communication there para sa Young Guns ng De La Salle Isabel. Oy, Puno with a save. Aceveda, step back 3. No good. Rebound by Mortel. Let's go. Ayan na. Ang Claret, number 22. Oopsie, another steal. Ay na si Gasta, nakalusot na naman. Mukhang player of the game to. Si Gasta, nakakarami na. Napasipag pang dumepensa at opensa. Ay na Claret, number 5. Back to number 22. Tumira, short. Rebound. The number 5. Pass number 19. Binas sa corner. Ay na, umatake. Oh, steal by Aceveda. Aceveda nagmamadali. 3 against 1. Oh, what a nice pass. To Solano naman sa kabila. 53-25. Biggest league of the game. With that 28 points lead ng ating La Salle Isabel. Ay na, steal by Solano. Jump shot, no good. Rebound ni number 19. Almost na 2 minutes na lamang pala po ang ating natitira. Oopsie, there's a foul. Time remaining 1 minute and 44 seconds. Bola rito ng Claret. Timeout. Timeout ba? Sobra, green, blue. On the free throw area. Sino titira? Number 23. Basket. Second shot. No good. Rebound ng Lasal. Solano. Pasolda sa Aklan. Marquez. Ramirez for 3. Di pa tapos ang Lasal Sobel. Pupuntos at pupuntos pa rin. Galing yan kay Ramirez. Kick out number 45 for 3. Wala. Rebound ng Claret. Handoff. Ayan na. Pass number 45. Crossover. Binigay sa corner. Number 22. Wala. Rebound. Good. Shot clock violation. Dito mama. Last 55 seconds sa ating fourth and the final quarter. 57 or 56 to 26. Ramirez, 2 points lang daw pala kanina. Pass to Franco, wala. Ayan na, ang Claret, number 0 na bitawan. Last 31. 31 seconds remaining. Mukhang inubos na lamang dito ang oras ni Ramirez. Grabe. What a nice game from both teams. Having their hands for sportsmanship. Okay, inubos na lamang po. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Our final score 56 to 26. Panalo po ang ating De La Salle Sobel, and a nice game para sa home team, ang Claret School. Muli maraming pong salamat sa panonood, at especially sa ating De La Salle Sobel parents, sa lahat ng mga suporta para sa ating team. Okay, magkita-kita po tayo para sa ating next live. Hanggang sa muli. God bless everyone.